Yes. Is this number? Okay. Anita.
I'm sorry.
Hey! What is it?
Reduce your voice. My husband is inside, please.
You're married?
No. Yes, I'm married.
You're finally in a man's house.
Hey.
How?
Small, my Frank.
Hey!
Are you the delivery person?
Yes, I came to deliver something. Wait, you are finally in a man's house?
Yes.
How?
Hey.
After 9 abortions?
No.
I'm not shouting.
Why are you doing this? Do you want to break my home? What is your problem? Calm down.
You are now in a man's house. How?
Please, can I have the
Wait, does the man know that you used to be a stripper? No, I'm just being honest. Does the man know that you used to knock me left, right, and center?
Stop now.
I'm just trying to be honest. But wait, do you still have womb?
Hey, Frank, do you want to break my home?
What home?
My husband may hear you.
Hey,
Yes.
yeah, no, I won't talk again. Hey, hi. You know when you did the third abortion, I was even saying, what? No, I'm not shouting now.
You're shouting.
Okay. You know, after the 50th abortion, I said
Frank,
you might not have womb again.
Can I have this?
Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Welcome. Hi, this is your property.
Okay, so how much is it? Let me do it.
The price now is 30,000.
30 what?
30,000.
How come? In the happy I have 3,000. This is not even what I'm saying. I'm saying 2,005 and 1,000 extra for the delivery. That's
okay.
3,500.
Old price.
What do you mean old price?
Now the price don't Madam, tell them now. You know
What is madam? Tell them. Talk to me.
Yes, baby, it's 30K. No, the economy system, so everything keep increasing.
Yes, up and down.
Why is it on the app? Just ordinary slipper that I'm going to wear in the house. You're telling me it's 30K.
Baby, their own is special. That's why.
You know why? The thing is because when I came here, seeing this thing, and I saw some things, and I have some things to say. I now remember that it's 30,000.
No, I think.
Or should I say something?
No, baby, it's 30,000.
What is it? 30,000. What do you mean by 30,000? What?
Okay, don't shout at me. No, don't shout at me. I'm delivering with the top notch.
Ordinary errand boy, tell him not to shout at you. Are you okay?
Anita!
Send him the money now. Send him.
Anita!
Wait, where do you know my wife from?
I used to go to their shop to get something.
No. What is going on here? What is going on here?
Okay, because you shouted at me, it's 40,000 naira.
Really?
Baby.
No, can you explain what is happening here? Because I don't understand it.
Baby,
if you waste more time, it becomes 50.
This guy called me by name and increasing the price of a commodity. I've already seen the price. And no, something is going on.
He's my customer. I always buy something.
I never buy your customer.
Hey, okay, you know what? This errand boy you're calling me now, I'm not saying anything again. Listen, this is George here is my ex-girlfriend. Do your worst. This is what you're marrying. Huh? See, let me tell you something. We call her Anisexy. She did 9 abortions for me. In fact, she must have done 4 for the other person before me, but I don't know much about it.
No, baby, he's lying. No, he's lying.
No.
Not 9.
Listen,
it's just 5. Not 9. That was in the past. Now, baby.
You did 5 abortions.
That was in the past. Before I met you.
You've never told me anything about it.
I'm sorry. I was scared of losing you.
Have you noticed the way she handles you? You will feel like you are in another place. This girl uses teeth as if she's using toothbrush. Anytime she holds me, I forget my name for a second. Tell him now, don't you know how he handles it? This is what you marry.
No need for long talk. What do you call Annie? What?
Annie sexy. Awesome now.
If you touch me, Annie sexy, right? Okay. What's that name again, Ramboy?
My name is Frank Oga. If you call me Ramboy again, I will took you this Bible.
Frank.
Yes. Yes.
Annie sexy. Please, can you step outside?
Baby, why now?
Come out to follow.
If you baby me, I will babyfy you. Get out.
Okay, next time if you want to marry, go to the
Hey, shut your mouth. If I hear you utter a word again, You will not find it funny.
Well, bye-bye.
And it's sexy.
Baby.
Go and sexify your life.
No.
You see, everything, you don't need to pick a penny.
Baby, it was in the past now.
If you say past again, I will slap you.
Past what? You still have it.
You still have
Past what?
Baby, let me just carry my
I will
bag. My
slap you.
handbag is important. Let me just carry it.
Can't
Please.
take a penny, like I said earlier. Everything here, I bought them for you. Everything you have.
Ah! So we told you no money. Sorry, I'm just talking to this.
You are free to have a. I'm not arguing.
Ah,
Go on.
who will have me have
Baby,
this
I love
nonsense?
you, baby.
God forbid.
It was in the past. I'm a changed person.
Oh, the man. Ah, thank God.
Frank,
Huh?
have you seen what you have caused?
What?
Are you happy now?
Hey, Annie, calm down.
Why did you do this to me? Why?
Annie, Chalo, me and you know that you don't love this guy.
I love him.
Since when? You that I know is all about playing now. Can't go change it.
Can't I change?
Hey, I
I'm
love
a changed
you.
person. I don't love you. His name I love.
I'm the one for you. See, ever since I missed your contact, I've been looking for the delivery I'm doing now. My dear, I have future with you. It's because you are not in my life that I started misbehaving, Makachi. It's you I want. And I'm happy that this idiot has left you. Because, you know it's me that
So you're happy
Frankie.
breaking my home.
Yes,
You're happy to destroy me. I don't love you. It's him I want. I love him. He's my husband. Don't beg me. Leave me alone.
You are the idiot.
Huh?
That idiot to come. You are the idiot. That idiot, that's who you are. So this is your plan. Thank God I had to eavesdrop on what you were saying. So this is what you came for.
No, she
If
did
you
nine.
utter a word, I will get you arrested. But first and foremost, I will release the dogs on you.
Jesus.
A good's worth just 3,500. You said 40,000. I will get you arrested. You will sleep in panty for the next 3 months.
Sorry.
If care is not taken. So this is what you came to do.
No.
To destroy my home. And you have the effort to the rest to call me an idiot.
Sorry. Is
Honey,
I'm
no
sorry.
problem. I understand.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. I forgive you. I understand. It's in your past. I understand. See,
But she still did none.
I will slap you.
Sorry.
And this time if I slap you, go and pick your head outside.
Oh, no
Honey,
problem. Let's just forget what has happened. Okay. Right? Sign here.
I see you are so shameless.
Huh?
You are shameless.
No, if I, what will I tell my people in the
Chineke
office?
Kpogyoku. You see, fire from hell will get you roasted if you don't disappear from my front town.
He said he should leave. Leave.
What of the goods? They
We
will
don't
sack
want
me.
it. We don't want
They'll
it.
sack you.
If I don't.
I'll even call your management. I'll send an email to them.
Jesus.
As soon as I can say, honey, let's go
Unga,
inside.
sorry. Unga, bring 2,000. I have 500 to complete it.
Honey, let's go inside. Don't mind.
Unga?
If you organ me,
Sorry.
honey, let's go inside. Don't mind me. If I come outside and meet you there,
Sorry. Hi. Who will now buy this thing? Should I stand on the road? They will sack me if I do not deliver this. Oga, should I leave it here? Before they will release dogs.